In this code we make basically a counter. When we click on a counter, its value increased by 1. First we import a useState hook, and where we declare counter and set counter useState. We initialize counter value 0. useState hook basically return a counter and set counter function. Counter is the initial value and set counter a function. We destructure here in array, and here in this we basically make a button. Button counter. When we click on counter on click event, we basically set counter value previous value by 1, and here we print in paragraph, make a paragraph p, and here we print counter value counter, and we run the code in terminal npm start and go here. This is when we click on counter, is counter value increased by 1. This is a basic fundamental of React hook using useState. Counter value increased by 1. In this code we basically use a useState hook and counter value, and set counter is value increased by previous and previous plus 1. This is a simple implementation of useState hook.